Hey everybody, welcome back to MaccMan's Kitchen. Today, we're going to be making one of my favorite sides / appetizer / favorite snack to eat while growing up, Bannann Peze, aka fried plantains. So, I hope you're hungry. Kick back, relax, and let's get cooking. Alright, well, I'm not gonna front. Peeling plantains is a little bit difficult, but there is a trick to do it. So, first I cut the ends off. Then you see the edges here. You see the plantain, see the edge? You try to get into the edge, just into the flesh, and you slide it all the way down. And you try to do that all the way around. Then it should just peel right out. If you put your thumb right through, and if you did it right, it should peel right out. There we go. See? Cut the ends. You find the edge and you slide all the way down. And trust me, it does take a little bit of practice to do. Try not to get too far into the plantain, not going far deep enough, because then you end up getting pieces like this that get stuck. And then you just go from the back end. See? That's how you peel a plantain. Now we're going to take our plantain and cut them on a biased, nice, decent chunk size, like so. And then we're gonna get them into some water. So in this bowl that we got our plantains with some water, and I'm gonna add some lemon juice, salt, a good amount of salt, adobo, and some black pepper. Then we're gonna mix it up and let it soak for about 10-15 minutes. Alright, so we have our plantains that we let soak for a little while in this wonderful water concoction. We're gonna get some vegetable oil into a pan, get it hot. Give it a little test. It's not ready yet. You don't hear that sizzle. But it's going, so it's almost ready. So what we're gonna do, shake it off and just slowly layer them right in. Try not to get water in the pan, because that can be an explosive situation. And we're pretty much gonna let these guys fry on both sides till they're cooked pretty much all the way through. Pretty much that's what you're looking for right there. Nice little golden. Then you flip. Now once they're golden all around, I'm pop them aside. Because then we're going to flatten them and then double fry them, give them meaning a second fry. What we're going to do is I'm taking 2 of my side plates here. Grab one piece, put it right in the middle. This is my second plate. I'm going to press down. Not all the way, but a little bit, just so it can flatten out. You get a nice little plantain medallion, just like that. See? Now, you can press them down as flat as you can, but then they'll break. And you don't want that happening. See? So just give them a quick little press, flatten them up a little bit. Be careful, they are still hot. And it is better to flatten them while they're hot, because once they get cold, it ain't gonna work out as well. I'm gonna take our plantain, quickly dip it in our water solution that we've had earlier, and pop it right in the pan. Just be careful, because hot oil does burn. Don't want to drop it in the oil, because then they'll make the oil splatter even more. Now once they get to this nice, almost translucent brown of gold, you know they're ready. So you're going to take some paper towel and pop them right on the paper towel so it can absorb the extra oil. And our Bannann Peze, aka fried plantains, are all done. Look at those. Well, here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. One of my favorite sides, Bannann Peze. Trust me, when you do it right, it's nice and crispy. So good, so delicious. Can't ask for anything else. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time here at MaccMan's Kitchen.